Nothing wrong with AG traveling with President. The 4th of September 2025. Spread the Love by Dr. Masimba Mavaza. The recent criticism directed at Attorney General Virginia Mabhiza for accompanying President Emerson Mnangagwa on high-level foreign trips to the Vatican and China has been dismissed as baseless and driven by malice. Some commentators and self-styled influencers had raised questions about her presence in the delegation, but observers argue her role is both essential and constitutional. The Attorney General's inclusion in these trips is not a privilege, but a necessity. She provides crucial legal guidance to the President in matters of international law, treaties, and agreements. Dr. Mavaza said, critics often cite concerns over the financial burden of international travel, especially amid Zimbabwe's struggling economy. However, proponents argue that the benefits of international engagement, including trade agreements, investment opportunities, and stronger diplomatic ties, far outweigh the costs. At the Vatican, Mabhiza's presence underscored Zimbabwe's recognition of the Holy See as a global moral authority and a key partner in international cooperation. In China, her legal expertise was vital in shaping agreements and ensuring compliance with both local and international law. Analysts note that the AG's role during such visits extends to reviewing contracts, participating in negotiations, advising on diplomatic immunity, and reinforcing the government's commitment to the rule of law. Her presence sends a clear message that Zimbabwe is committed to lawful, transparent, and mutually beneficial engagements, added Dr. Mavaza. Government insiders maintain that far from being wasteful, such trips are a vital part of Zimbabwe's pursuit of economic growth and global partnerships, and the Attorney General's participation is both legitimate and strategic.